New to affiliate marketing? Read this advice before getting started. Affiliate marketing can be an important part of your online presence. You need to do all of your research so that you don't wind up losing a ton of money or even losing customers and traffic to your website. There are some tips listed below to help you begin doing this properly. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Test the products that you plan to market prior to recommending them to customers. Make sure that you are recommending a product that is high quality and comes from a company with a customer service team that is great and will back up their merchandise. Repeat customers are more likely when you sell something that is great. Integrating affiliate marketing offers into a website's content will make affiliate agreements more productive. A simple banner ad is never as effective as an in-depth video that points out the strengths of an affiliate's product. Merging affiliate offers with website content draws the website's readers deeper into the sales pitch and will be more persuasive than separated advertisements. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding, but it can also be a lot of work. Regardless, if you know what to do and how to market smarter, you can make bigger profits. So, do yourself a favor by doing your research and applying the above tips to your affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.